Welcome to the final installment of the tiny Legos of the Titanic. So, yeah, we're it's actually 2 steps, but it's only these few little, like 20, 30 pieces, maybe 40 pieces, maybe something like that, which is like a couple of little stacks that go right here and right here, and some little bitty final detail stuff in there. So we're gonna put that together and we'll be back. Yes, what? Tyler?
It's over.
We did it.
We did it.
It's finished. Iceberg. Boat. Come out pretty good. So, anyway. Alright. Y'all have a good one. Thank y'all for watching the build. Guess we'll get another one and do something different later on. Maybe a car or something. You know. Something. I don't know. Thank y'all for watching. We've had fun putting it together. Had some aggravating times, but it wasn't too bad.